Hi, I'm Mahesh Kumar. I'm from Orissa. I did my BCA in 2011. Soon I joined a non-technical job. The same year, I have 9 years of experience into it, and I got fascinated with technology while working in a previous company. So I was looking for a better organization or institute from where I can opt out for the technology knowledge. So I searched a lot. I inquired a lot. I put a lot with a lot of my friends, colleagues, and I ended up with iTpreneur. I've seen the curriculum. I have seen all the brochure. I've checked everything, and I find this is good for my further career. So I opted out for full stack development course, and uh, Sonia was the one who did my counseling, and she explained me everything, that how it's going to be or what all things are involved into it, how much time is it going to take, and how much I'll have to what is the fees, and so that's why I've opted out for this full stack course. uh, and I've completed the whole course in 6 months, and I got many calls, and it was an easy process for me, because the tutors here, the trainers are here are very supportive. They helped me to understand from the basics, because I was zero at my technology knowledge. So they helped me with my basics, and then they got me towards um, the advanced level. And then I got multiple calls from the different companies. That's how I got placed into this particular company, where I got a good package, and I placed here as research analyst with 8.5 lakhs per annum, and it was a great journey for me. And I really thank iTpreneur for changing my career, and helped me to step ahead. And finally, I would like to say thank you, ITP, for everything that I came across. Thank you.